Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorials on games. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can join a Fortnite tournament. So to do this, firstly you need to come over to this tab called Compete, and after you're in here you will see all of the competition slash tournaments that you can join. So you can click on any of the event details and it will tell you that this event starts tomorrow, or this event will start in a few days slash etc. So to play this event or slash tournament, it says that it starts tomorrow. You can see here event details on how to play etc as well. So to play when the event is live, you need to come down in here and you will see a tab called buy epic. In here it will be an option to play the event just like these options, and when the event slash tournament is live, you just need to click on it like this, and you need to click on select, and you will be in the tournament game mode. And after that you simply need to click on play and you will start playing the tournament. So that's how you do it guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also please let us know on the comment section what video you guys want us to cover and we will do so. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.